Welcome to lesson 51, subtracting a fraction from a whole number greater than 1. Basically, it's subtracting with fractions, okay? And mixed numbers, as you see up on the board, are involved. This is reteach number 51. Number 5 is here. It says 9 minus 6 3/4. If you can't see that very well on your screen. And let me just tell you right away that you have the skills already to solve this problem. Okay? You've already been taught how to rename fractions and you already know how to subtract. But let me warn you that most students solve this kind of problem wrong. Okay? What do you think, just initially, 9 minus 6 3/4 might be? Now, a lot of students subtract the whole numbers. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then there's still 3/4 left over, so you drop it down. 3 3/4. If that's what you're thinking, think again. That is wrong, okay? Now, what if you were to take your time with all your work? I know, it's shocking, right? What if you took your time and you were to draw out every fraction problem just to make sure you got it right? Well, for this one, you would have 9 circles, or 9 squares, 9 holes, right? And you're taking away 6 3/4. Well, let's take away 6 of them. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I've taken away 6. Now let's take away 3/4. That means one of these needs to be cut in fourths. And you need to take away 3 of them. Now it's really small for you to see there, but what do I really have left over? I have 2, and I have a 4th left over. This answer is really 2 1/4. Now the mistake happens because the top number didn't have a fraction piece to subtract this piece. And that causes you to make a mistake. Now if it was 9 3/4 minus 6, yes, that would be 3 3/4 left over. But when the second number has this mixed fraction here, that's going to cause some problems. You'll need to rename the number on the top so that it is a mixed number as well. Now we've practiced renaming with 1s before. Now we have numbers greater than 1. That's what this lesson is called, right? Numbers greater than 1. So there we have a 9. We could change the 9 and make a number that's equivalent to 9 but as a mixed number. So think, if you were to cross that 9 out, change it to an 8, and then give it a fraction that's equivalent to 1, you would still have the value of 9, but now you would be able to subtract. So what fraction equivalent to 1 would you put with an 8? Would you put 2 2s, 4 4ths, 8 8ths, 10 10ths? The correct answer would be 4 4ths. Now why do I pick 4 4ths? Well, because we're dealing with fourths, aren't we? This is 6 3/4. So if I have 4 4ths minus 3/4, well, that's very easy to subtract because we have like denominators. So make sure you choose a fraction equal to 1 that matches the denominator. Now, if you weren't drawing and you were just to subtract this problem, keep in mind this is still 9. It's just written 8 4/4. Okay? So 8 4/4 minus 6 3/4. Now you can subtract straight down each column. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 4ths minus 3/4 gives you 1/4. Okay? And now that you know about that skill and combining that, let's do one more problem from your work. Let's go ahead and try number 7. 11 minus 8 5/5. 11 minus 8 5/6. Okay, if you can't see that very well, sorry. It's 11 minus 8 5/6. Now, once again, if you went and subtracted 11 minus 8 and you got 3, that is wrong. You can't do that because now you have nothing taking away the 5/6, which is almost another whole. Okay, so you need to rename the 11. What will we rename it as? Cross it out, change it to a 10, And then, what's a whole number equal to 1? That's going to match this. Now this is a sixth, so let's make this 10 and 6 sixths. Okay? Now you can subtract it straight down. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 6 sixths minus a 5 sixths leaves you with 1 little sixth left over. And that's number 7. Okay? So if you have questions about renaming your fractions and you're wondering about how to do it, you need more examples, then come and see me and I would be glad to help. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.